Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So to do that, we should open Settings application and then tap on the Sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone notification volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button and then click here on these three dots. We'll launch the sounds, just the volume panels here, and just to change the ringtone by the same way, we can do it here or just right here from home screen of our device, and then just, oh my god, to save the changes you should click here to done. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.